topic is the legacy classes in collection in Java. The collection framework did not include in Java. In the early version of Java, we have several classes and interfaces which is allows us to store objects. After adding the collection framework in JSE 1.2 for supporting the collection framework, these classes were re-engineered so classes and interfaces that form the collections framework in the older version of Java. The are known as the legacy classes. For supporting generic in JDK 5, these classes were is re-engineered. All the legacy classes are synchronized. The java.util package defines the legacy class. First one is a hash table, next is a stack, then dictionary, then property, then vector. The vector class, a vector is a special type of array list that define a dynamic array. Array list is not synchronized while vector is a synchronized. The vector class has several legacy methods that are not present in the collection framework. Vector implements iterable after the release of a JDK 5 that defines the vector is fully compatible with collections, and vector elements can be iterated by the for each loop. Vector class provides the constructor. Next is a vector method. It is used to when we want to create a default vector having the initial size of a 10. Next is a vector size method. It is used to create a vector of specified capacity. It accepts the size as parameter to specify the initial capacity. Next is a vector and then pass the value size and increase INCR. Then it is used to create the vector of specified capacity. It accepts the two parameters size and increment parameter. It to specify the initial capacity and the number of elements to allocate each time when vector is resized for the addition of object. Next is a vector collection. It is used to create a vector with the same elements which are present in the collection. It accepts the collection as a parameter. Next is a hash table class. Hash table class is similar to hash map. It is used to the data into key value pair. It does not allow us to enter any null key and value because it is synchronized just like a vector. Hash table also has the four constructor. First one is a hash table method. It is used to we need to create a default hash table having size 11. Next is a hash table and then pass the size. It is used to create a hash table of a specified size. It accepts size as parameter to specify the initial size of it. Next is a hash table, integer size and float field ratio. It creates the hash table of a specified size and field ratio. It accepts two parameters, size and a field ratio of a float. The ratio must be between 0.0 and 1.0. Then field ratio parameter determines full the hash table can be before it is resized upward. It means when we enter more elements than its capacity or size, then the hash table is expanded by multiplying its size and full ratio. Thank you.